How to merge Minecraft words Bedrock. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to merge two Minecraft Bedrock words into one. Whether you're combining creative buildings or importing an old survival area into a new map, I'll walk you through each step quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the word file's location. First, open your File Explorer and go to Users, Local, Packages, Minecraft, and Minecraft words. This is where all your Bedrock words are stored. Each word folder has a random name, so open level name text inside each one to find the correct word. Step 2. Choose your main word. Pick the word you want to keep as your base. This is where the content from the other word will be added. Step 3. Copy data from the second word. Open the folder of the word you want to merge from and go to the DB folder. Copy the files called chunks and entities. Do not copy level dot that files store word settings you probably don't want to overwrite. Step 4. Pass the files into the base word. Go to your main word folder. Open its DB folder and pass the copied files there. If it asks to overwrite files, say no unless you're sure you want to replace those chunks. Optional. Use Emulate Editor for more control. Want to merge specific buildings or locations? Download Emulate Editor from Emulate MC and open both words, and visually copy and paste structures between them. It's safe and lets you avoid overlapping chunks. Step 5. Test the merged word. Now open Minecraft. Go into your base word and check if everything looks right. You should now see the content from both words combined. And that's it. That was the quick tutorial on how to merge Minecraft words Bedrock. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.